Non-Fungible Tokens, or NFTs, became a cultural phenomenon in 2021. They have been around for years, making waves with CryptoKitties back in 2017. Nowadays, NFTs can be sold for millions of dollars, so let's take a look at how this all became possible. Hey guys, Shadow with another video with the cryptocurrency exchange. And before we dive in, please consider hitting the subscribe button and clicking on the notification bell below to learn more about crypto in a fun and informative way. NFT is a digital asset that represents real-world objects like art, music, in-game items, videos, event tickets, or even domain names. You can create, buy, and sell them online frequently whenever you want with crypto. Non-fungible tokens are typically held on the Ethereum blockchain and follow specific standards, mainly the ERC-721s and ERC-1155s. NFTs differ from crypto by their uniqueness and own value. Two individual bitcoins are worth the same and therefore are fungible. That means that they can be traded or exchanged for one another. But NFTs are different. Due to their unique digital signatures, it is impossible for NFTs to be exchanged or to be equal to one another. For instance, if you bought an NBA Top Shot clip, you can't exchange it for a virtual cat in CryptoKitties just because they're both NFTs. It doesn't quite work like that. And moreover, even two NBA Top Shot clips aren't necessarily equal. But why are people willing to buy NFTs, and why did NFTs suddenly become so popular? Well, let's talk about it. NFTs first gained popularity back in late 2017 thanks to the digital collectibles CryptoPunks and the game CryptoKitties, when the NFT market initially attracted attention from the media, and a lot of media attention at that. Since then, everything went quiet for a few years until 2021, which some journalists have called the year of NFTs. For instance, based on the Non-Fungible.com report, sales of NFTs hit the $2 billion mark during the first quarter of 2021. $2 billion. Since the beginning of the year, NFTs have continued to be in focus of the media due to their acceptance by deep-pocketed investors. In March, the major auction house Christie's sold the first NFTs-based artwork for more than $69 million. The NFT called The First 5,000 Days, created by Beeple, represents 5,000 days or 13 years of his work. Shortly thereafter, another prestigious auction house, Phillips, auctioned off an NFT called Replicator for $4.1 million. The New York Stock Exchange has also joined the NFT craze in April by announcing its first trade NFTs of 6 major companies. So I guess now you kind of understand that digital art is one of the most profitable sectors of the NFT market, but other industries also benefit from NFTs, and let's take a look at that. The first is the video game industry. At the moment, the most expensive game NFT is Moonroom by Decentraland. It was sold for 1.4 million mana, which is now equal to more than $1.1 million. Mind-blowing. Additional NFT use case is connected with music. For example, the first ever album released as an NFT came only in early March of 2021 with Kings of Leon's record, When You See Yourself. And this has already generated $2 million from its sales. $2 million. Outside of sports and the arts, collectible items are a big hit on the NFT scene. And the best example of this is the first tweet of Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey, which was sold for $2.9 million. Is the world gone mad? Despite such a huge price, the tweet lost the competition of the most expensive digital collectible to a CryptoPunk 3100. And believe it or not, but this pixel art image was sold for $7.58 million. What? Among other industries which create their own NFTs are real estate, jewelry, fashion, and the movie industry. But how can you benefit from NFTs? Well, let's find out. The great thing about NFTs is that you are able to not only trade them, but actually create one of them for yourself and put it on sale. So let's say, for instance, you can create a work of art, a piece of music, or even just a GIF, and then turn it into an NFT through the process called minting. After this is done, you can sell your NFT via online marketplaces like OpenSea, Rarible, Nifty Gateway, or even, eBay. Another cool thing about NFTs is that you can earn money with them even after they're sold. You can attach a commission to the file, which you will receive each time your NFTs are sold. They're just put in the smart contracts. And whether you want to buy or create and sell your own NFT, in both cases, you will need to have an Ethereum wallet. You will need it to pay fees for putting up your NFT for sale or for storing NFTs. Oh, and also don't forget about the minting. You can get such a wallet on the MetaMask platform and then buy Ethereum on our exchange EXMO. as easy as it gets. Unlike digital files that can be duplicated endlessly, traditional works of art are valuable because they are scarce, they are one of a kind. NFTs allow to tokenize artworks, videos, music, creating a digital certificate of ownership that can be bought and sold. That's how each NFT gains its own value, and that's why the NFT market in general is in the spotlight for investing. In a nutshell, NFTs are a modern way of investing in art. Non-fungible tokens continue to spread across a variety of industries and are now even available for trading on eBay, one of the biggest online marketplaces in the world. eBay is crazy. This case might increase the accessibility and popularity of NFTs across the short term and long term as tokenized assets. Being a new collectible form of modern art, NFTs allow artists to earn on their works without all these third parties like agents, so it's quite unlikely that creators will give up so easily on the independent source of income. And for major investors, NFTs are a promising way for making capital investments. Now that's it for today's video. If you want to learn more about NFTs and crypto in general, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative and fun crypto content. Bye for now.